Hi everyone, it's Shamala of Shimi's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make soft and light chawal ki roti. I have loved this chawal ki roti since my childhood. I was brought up in a town called Vanyambari, which is in South Tamil Nadu. There people make this chawal ki roti, they call it as Pashthi. It is generally served with peanut chutney or keema masala. This roti is soft and very light to eat. It's just perfect for the breakfast. So let's start making it. Boil 2.5 cups of water in a pan. When it comes to boil, add half a teaspoon of salt. Switch off the flame and then add half a kg of rice flour in it. Mix well with the spatula. Check if it's ready to knead. Now remove it in a bowl, sprinkle some water and knead the dough. Add 1 tablespoon of oil on it. Knead again till it becomes soft and smooth. Close the lid. Keep aside for 10 minutes. Now make a round ball to roll the dough. Dust flour on it. Roll it with light hands. Cut using a round lid. Remove excess dough. Keep aside for the next use. Now heat tawa on a high flame. Place the pashthi on a hot tawa. Cook for half a minute in one side. Turn and cook the other half. Pour some oil and cook till it becomes golden brown on both the sides. And now it's ready to serve with peanut chutney or keema masala. Do try them and you will like to make them again and again. Hope you guys like this recipe and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more great recipes and tips. Thanks for spending time with me in my kitchen. See you soon. Have a nice day.